Today, we're introducing a complete recycling solution. Specially designed for jelly-filled cable, also known as oil-filled cable. This system efficiently separates copper and plastic, delivering clean, high-value recycled materials. First, the jelly-filled cable is fed into a crusher. Prior to crushing, a cleaning solution is added to help separate the gel from the cable assembly. This cleaning solution is carefully selected to be both effective in dissolving the gel and environmentally friendly. Next, the sorted jelly-filled cables are cut into smaller pieces or pellets using specialized equipment, such as shredders or pelletizers. This process breaks down the cables into smaller components for further processing. After the jelly-filled cables have been cleaned and crushed, from the fine crusher outlet, the material flows directly into two water shaking tables. Using water flow, vibration, and density differences, the tables accurately separate copper from plastic. The purity of the copper can reach 99% or above through the above method. To meet different customer needs, the system can be equipped with copper granule dryer, preventing oxidation caused by long contact with water, plastic dewatering machine, improving cleanliness and drying for downstream pelletizing or resale. With this comprehensive and carefully engineered process, sticky oil-filled cables can be fully recycled, producing high-purity copper and clean plastics while maximizing resource value. If you're searching for a reliable, efficient, and environmentally friendly solution for jelly-filled cable recycling, Honest Waste Recycling Machine is your best choice. Feel free to contact us anytime for a full solution and quotation.